Alright, what's going on everybody? So today just a quick little tech tip repair video that's really common on these 4th gen Legacies. I figured might be a good little video. Is these window switches break all the time. So I've been daily driving this thing, breaking in the new engine, and the switch broke. So it's not connected to anything. So we just need to take this door panel off, which is pretty easy. You just got to pop this guy off right here. There's a couple screws, or just one screw really right there. We need to get this piece off behind here, so you got to have the lock in the lock position. And then right underneath there, there's a little tab. You can put a flathead in there, pull this off, and the panel there will come out. Alright, pulled the screw out there, the screw out from under there, and right there. And now we're just going to start popping the bottom off. You can get some trim tool kits that are plastic so you don't damage it. I'm just going to use a couple flatheads because I've done this before. Start popping out the clips on the bottom here. We'll move on to the next step. Okay, so I got the bottom of the door panel a little bit loose. We got to take off this little piece right here. This little trim piece there, because we got to slide the door panel up, so this part's in the way. But yeah, that piece just has little clips. It just pops off. Just be gentle with it. It's all plastic, so. Alright, I'll just start kind of wiggling it up. You see it just kind of slides off the top there. Then you can get back here and start unplugging things, because you got all kinds of things we got to unplug. So one sec. So I'm actually only going to unplug the switch itself, which is this one. Just goes in right there. So this is the unit right here. It's held in with 4 screws. You can see here on my new one, it's got 4 screw holes right there and just goes in that direction. So we just got to pull off this protective fabric sheathing stuff and get to the 4 screws. These are a little bit more difficult to get to, but should be able to get those out and it should just pop out. So there's one final screw right there, but I didn't actually have to pull all this off. Just had to take that off and use the screws. It should just pop out. There it is. So we'll have to transfer over the trim piece, I'm pretty sure, but not a big deal. Okay, so this trim piece, this top piece, is just held on with these little clips in the corners, so we're just going to use a flathead, kind of pry those guys up, and pull this thing right off. I need 2 hands to do that, so one sec. Alright, there it is. It just pops right off. So, I got my new switch. This is like an aftermarket one. I found this one on Amazon. It's about, I think it's like 36 bucks or something, but this is a really common thing because these switches they break a lot. Mainly it's this driver one, part of the auto feature. So just take that, we'll just pop this on here like that, and it's ready to go back in the car. Alright, new switch is in, put all the bolts in, ready to lift this thing back up. We'll plug it in, make sure it works. That was the only thing we unhooked, so you can just slide the door panel back on, just to kind of go up and hook over on the top. You get this to push down, and then we'll just kind of start popping our clips in all the way around. Once all the clips are popped in, we'll put these screws in. You should obviously test it before you put it all back together. Make sure the new fancy switch is working. Okay. Popped all that back on there, put this little trim piece back on, the 3 screws. So now, moment of truth here. Let's see what we got. Hey, auto roll down feature works. Auto roll up feature. Awesome. So yeah, that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. But there's a quick tech tip video for you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.